in today's video, I'll be going to share the recipe of lovely, crunchy, beautiful spring onion fritters. Can be made in minutes, are very nutritious and super delicious. And the best part is that it can be used multi-purposely. Try it out and let me know how it turned out. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner English. And I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you're new to my page, to subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin with this lovely and quick recipe. For this recipe here, I have taken spring onions. I have washed them nicely, taken out the outer layer. And here I have taken around 300 grams. I need both the greens and some little bit amount of whites, and these are very seasonal, and these spring onions are quite crunchy, and we make them splitters that will be crunchy from outside and soft and succulent from inside. I have cut them and washed them nicely. Make sure there is no extra water in the spring onion. And further, for this recipe I have taken here few garlic cloves, around 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, and 2 green chilies I have taken. Green chilies amount that can be altered according to taste, and it's very important we need to crush these 2 ingredients because crushing gives a very peculiar flavor. And it's done, and as you have seen I have crushed it very nicely. Do not cut it or make a paste out of it. That's the trick of this recipe. So it's ready. So now in a large bowl, I'll add the basic ingredients. That's the spring onions that I have taken. I have cut it into 1 or 1.5 inch thick. And now to bind this fritters, I have taken a 3/4 cup of rice flour. So here goes rice flour, and besan or gram flour I have taken 2 tablespoons. That will also bind and will add to the taste. So here goes the rice flour and the gram flour. And for flavoring, I'll add here 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder and turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon goes in. Crushed garlic and chili goes in. Some amount of salt and 1 pinch of soda. That's it, just 1 pinch, and initially I'll give them a mix. So I'll use my hands and I'll just mix all the ingredients, and then I'll gradually add water little by little, and I just need a semi-thick batter. I'll just show you the consistency. We don't want this batter to be runny, neither too thick. We just want perfect consistency that can be poured and can be made into shapes of fritters, or you can call small pancakes. So these are ready. The batter you can see, and gradually this will soften more. So here I have heated a cast iron pan. This is my perfect pan for shallow frying. 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil I have added. Preferably I have added mustard oil. That gives a very peculiar taste. And yes, this recipe can be made in very less oil. And once the pan is heated, reduce the flame to medium and start adding the batter in batches, preferably 1 to 2 tablespoons. And the sides, don't smoothen it or don't make it round. These crumbled sides will actually enhance the taste of this fritters, and I just love the crunchiness of the sides. The random shapes gives more perfect taste to this recipe. So here I have made around 4 fritters, and on medium flame I just need to cook them for 3 to 4 minutes on one side. You can see small little bubbles on these fritters. This actually indicates that they have nicely cooked on one side. Now it's time to flip, and I have flipped it. You can see the color, lovely color. It's nicely fried, and the crispiness of these fritters can be known from the color. So just 2 minutes more on other side, and these fritters are ready to be savored. 2 important things to make this fritters perfectly are that the batter should not be runny, neither should be thick. It should be perfect semi-thick consistency. And then we need to cook this fritters on medium flame on both sides so that they become crunchy, and the spring onions can be perfectly cooked because they have their own moisture, and it takes little time to cook them to perfection. Maximum 5 minutes for one batch of fritters, and it's ready. Steaming hot spring onion fritters, very seasonal, very nutritional, and yes, they can be used multi-purposely. You can put it in sandwich, you can wrap it in rolls, and you can enjoy this only solo with some sauce or chutney, whatever you want. Try this recipe in this winter season. You're going to love this taste. And spring onions, they have their own unique flavor which actually enhances more when you add other ingredients. Try it out and let me know how it turned out. Today's comment is from Smita Pallavi Sahu. She writes, I have tried this recipe in Diwali and it was very nice. Everyone said what a nice recipe. I thank to you and may God bless you for making new recipes for us. She is actually commenting on the recipe of my chole bhature. Thank you so much, Smita Pallavi, for such beautiful words. I am so glad my recipe turned out nice and everyone in your family enjoyed on this special occasion Diwali. Thank you so much for letting me know. And for today's video, that's this quick, easy and very tasty spring onion fritters. Try it out and let me know how it turned out. You can also follow Su's Food Corner in English on Instagram and Facebook. If you have liked today's video, do give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.